Good evening, everyone, and we are very happy that 37 National Game Torch is at Mapusa Police Station. I really feel very proud, feeling that I have honor to hold this torch along with my PI Sitakan Naik and along with my PI Kolware Vijay Rane, PSI Yashwan Manrekar, PSI Patil, and our Choprekar and all the staff of Mapusa Division. And it is honor that we got this opportunity. We will keep this safe tonight and we'll continue this tomorrow. And it is really, we are all police force are motivated, gear up to see that national games are very safe and safely played. There is a lot of security given to all the athletes and all the audiences. We have seen that Honorable CM himself taking the lead, playing badminton, volleyball and other games just to motivate all the athletes. Here we also motivate all the athletes by giving them a good, secure environment in Goa. And thank you very much for keeping this torch and giving me honor to hold this torch. Thank you so much. And thank you my staff who have really gathered here, and we are really honored to be the part of the 37 National Game.